Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called How to Teach a Slug to Read. When you teach a slug to read, you should 1. Start out by putting labels of his favorite things. Carrot, worm, bean, bug, corn. Next, find a really good book. This is very important or your slug will lose interest. The best books will have some slugs in them. Lizards eat slugs. Hug a bug. No way. Mushy love stories. Yuck. A tale of two termites. Boring. Homework is fun. Get serious. Rhymes from Mother Slug. I want this one. Mother Slug rhymes are good. They have lots of slugs in them. And the rhymes will help you, a slug, remember the word. 3. Prop the book up close to the ground. I can't see. 4. Find a rock for your slug to sit on so he can see the page better. Be patient. It'll take you a slug sometimes to climb on the rock. Well, maybe you could just carry the slug and then put him on the rock. Maybe, yeah. Mary had a little slug. His skin was smooth as silk. She dressed him on a satin shirt and fed him bread and milk. I love it! Show your slug the words that repeat a lot. This will help them spot them right away. Once a bug, bug, bug. On a rug, rug, rug. Bug. Learn to fly, fly, fly. Say bye, bye. Say goodbye, bye, bye. Fly, fly, bug. Whatever can the matter be, Sally Slug has climbed a tree. She'll come down at 10:30. Then she'll climb back up again. Slug. Help your slug sound out words. Slug. Hey, it can read slug. Make vocabulary list. Slugs love new words. Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet eating her carbs and whey. Along came the slug who gave her a hug and told her to have a nice day. What's a tuffet? A tuffet is a low seat. What's curds and whey? Cottage cheese. No kidding. 8. Let your slug underline his favorite words in slug sign. Sweet Sammy Slug slides through town, upstairs, downstairs in his night gown, to make sure that children are tucked in their beds and dreams of slug fairies dance in their head. 9. Read your slug's very favorite poems. The Snail in the Hat. Oh, these two are by, I think, like all of this, or maybe just these two are by The Cat in the Hat, or Dr. Seuss, I mean. Favorite poems as him as many times as he wants. Read them others' books too. Haha. To where the wild slugs are. Be patient. 10. Be patient. Reading isn't learned in a day. It can take months, but don't give up. It's worth in the end. It was a dark and stormy night. Then one day you'll find a read books to you. It was a dark and stormy night. Then he will read books to beetles and the butterflies and the grasshoppers and the crickets and the bumblebees and the dragonflies. He may even start a story hour or even a school. Once upon a time, when all were sleeping, a slug came creeping. Books will teach him how to play slug soccer. Books will show him slugs in other lands. Books will show him the whole wide world. All because of you taught your slug to read. The end. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!